So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is regarding the engine oil change in my Apache 200. I'm going to replace the engine oil with Motul 7100. So the tools you need are these. These are very cheap tools and my suggestion is to purchase these are very useful in day-to-day life. And this is the oil filter, cost around 41 rupees, and the Motul 7100 cost around 750 per liter. So Apache 200 requires 1200 ml of engine oil, so I have purchased 2 packs of engine oil. And first of all, we have to warm up the bike. Underneath the engine you will find single drain bolt, and you required 16 mm of spanner to remove this bolt. The next thing you have to do is remove the oil filter cover, and you require 8 mm of spanner. So as you can see, there are 3 bolts and the 2 bolts are of same size, and the topmost bolt is the longest bolt. Now you just have to remove the old oil filter and clean up the remaining engine oil. As you can see, this is the oil filter cover, and this sign represents the position of oil filter cover. Now you just have to clean the drain bolt and screw it firmly and tightly. Now you just have to pour the engine oil into engine, and this is the reason why I trust Motul. As you can see, there is one more seal inside this. This is not the cheapest engine oil, but the quality justifies the price tag. And I'm using 10W40 grade, as 10W40 grade is recommended for Apache 200. And if you are confused which grade my bike should run on, so check the user manual. This is the second pack of engine oil. As we know, Apache 200 required 1200 ml of engine oil, so there are markings and this is very useful, and we pour the remaining 200 ml of engine oil into the engine. So the oil cap contains a dipstick, which is to measure the engine oil. So the engine oil is up to the maximum level. So this is the first time I'm using Motul 7100 in my Apache 200. So let's see how it performs. And if you find this video useful, so like, share and subscribe this channel.